Okay, so if you look at this question on page 41, I highlight some of the keywords first. We are supposed to find the coordinates of the stationary point of this particular curve. Then there's this thing, determine the nature. Oh, don't worry. When you see this word called determine the nature means, you must tell me whether is this a maximum, minimum, or is it a point of inflection. So I put a question mark. This one is meant by determine the nature. Because stationary point have three kinds. You must tell me which one is it. Then after that, wow, comes the one that you don't like. Sketch. Okay, so you see, the keyword is the word stationary point. As I highlighted just now, stationary points have gradient equal to 0. This means your dy dx must be equal to 0. Am I right? Okay, is it easy to do the dy dx? Quite easy. I'm just going to write it down. 3x squared minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. But I can see the numbers are all divisible by 3. But you can press the calculator immediately. But I like to reduce to lowest term. Remember, it's not a topic on factorization. Straight away press your calculator. Okay? So after you press the calculator, I'll get x equal to 3 and negative 1. Is these two answers sufficient? They want the coordinates. They don't want just the x coordinate. Can you find the corresponding value of y? Same thing. Press the calculator. Don't show me working. 3 cubed minus 3 bracket 3 square minus 9 bracket 3 plus 5. Press the calculator. Yes. Negative 22. Then press for negative 1. 10. Wow, Luffy, you're very fast leh. This year you totally transform, huh? So remember, they want the coordinates. Let me write down the two pairs of coordinates. Alright? So 3, negative 22. Okay, we have determined the coordinates, but our next job is to find the nature. So each of the point. So we do point by point. Rather than calling it the first derivative test, I'll call it the box method. We draw the tic-tac-toe. How to do it? I show you all once first. Alright? So basically, I use the first pair first. Okay, so I check the first one. So I need to do the tic-tac-toe, just freehand. But must be big enough lah, or you can use your margin. What do we do to the tic-tac-toe? I need to use the value of x. Okay, what do I do with the value of x? Let me show you first. So, x. I need to fill in 3. 3 minus 3 plus. What the hell is 3 minus 3 plus? Don't worry. Okay, I'll show you in a short while. Then, I need to find out what is the dy dx. Whether is it positive, negative, or is it 0. Then, I need to know the shape. Okay, this is what I need to do to the tic-tac-toe. Okay, now I explain a little bit. You all stand by your calculator. Okay, so I always use the corresponding value of x, the x coordinate. Okay, the meaning of 3 minus means choose a number slightly smaller than 3. What is the number? Slightly smaller. 2.9 can. Don't mean you want 2.99 also can, but 2.9 is good enough. You don't need to tell me, but I will write on top. Okay, let me use a different color. We'll choose 2.9. Okay, what is the number slightly bigger than 3? 3.1. Okay, so our job is to use these 3 values, substitute into the dy dx. Do we have the dy dx just now? We have. It's actually 3x squared minus 6x minus 9. Okay, I do the easiest one. Confirm when I substitute 3 inside dy dx must be 0. Am I right? Why? Why? Because the gradient at x equal 3 must be 0, it's a stationary point. But your job is to tell me when you substitute 2.9, what is the answer? So in this case, after you put in 2.9, if it's negative, write down negative. Now press the calculator for 3.1. So you told me positive. Okay, shape. Shape is the easiest. After our gradient is found, can you tell me when gradient is 0, what kind of shape do we have? Horizontal straight line, right? Don't say straight line, horizontal, flat ground. When it's negative gradient, is it going up or down? Up or down? Down. So I put going down. When it's positive, is it going up or down? Up. Can you see when I join from the left side to right side? Can you see it's like that? So after I join the shape, right? Hey, it's clear cut. This must be a minimum point. Of course, you need to do the cross. Then conclude. 3, negative 22 is a minimum. No need to spell long, point. We are done for the first one already. Another 1 mark. But this 1 mark a bit costly. But don't worry, this is one method. I'll show you another method next week. Same thing. Now I need your job. I need your help. Form another tic-tac-toe. Or put in the x, the dy dx for the gradient, and the shape. This time round, we cannot use number 3. This time round, we are supposed to use negative 1. Alright, we are supposed to use negative 1. So input the negative 1 minus, negative 1 plus. Can you tell me what is one number slightly less than negative 1? Negative 1.1 because you need to minus 0.1, right? Very good. So, negative 1.1. What is one number slightly more than negative 1? Negative 0.9? Okay. Okay, I give you some time to press the calculator, input the rest of the boxes in the tic-tac-toe. So after you press the calculator, you determine the gradient, then I join the shape. Flat going down. So, how does it look like? Go up, flat, down. What kind of point is this? Maximum point. Quickly conclude. Negative 1, 10 is a maximum point. 6 marks already. Actually, not a lot of working except for the box. Correct? Worthy, right? Curve sketching. Another 2 marks. Wow. Not difficult. Let me show you. Good. You told me, I already know the turning point, or the stationary point, but I need to include one more thing, which is the x and y. Can you all recall the step for x? X-axis means y equal to 0. Okay, now solve for y equal to 0 here. Do I need to show? No need. Press the calculator for cubic equation. After we let y is equal to 0, you found 3x intercept. Y. Big Y means I must let x be equal to 0. That one quite fast lah. If all the x terms are 0, what is left behind? Only 5, right? Correct? Y equal to 5. Let me write that down. So y is equal to 5. Okay. Now, give your attention to me. Our job. The x-intercept, the y-intercept, this minimum point, this maximum point must be inside the curve. It's not difficult. Okay? Now, curve sketching is a rough estimate, need not be precise. Okay? It's a rough estimate, no need to be exact, but it must look proportional. Alright? So, I'm going to input 0.489 around 0.5 lah. Okay? Negative 2.8. 2.18, sorry. So I need to draw further. 4.69. Just proportional. No need to be exact. Oh, sorry, positive. Apology, huh? Okay, on the other side, so I must draw the other side longer. Sorry, let me finish up. 4.69. Okay, y is equal to 5. I just draw y equal 5 here. A bit stingy, but never mind. Then I input the minimum point. 3, negative 22. Wow. 3 is somewhere here. Negative 22 must be further down. 3, negative 22. I just let you see, Negative 1, 10. Oh, negative 1 is somewhere here. 10. Okay, see what I do first, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, 3, negative 22 is the minimum point. So I just draw a U shape here first. The other one is a maximum point. So I just draw a simple N shape. Then, I join them together. How to join them together? See what I do? Ta-da! Finish.